Alright, today let's take a look at a new Zippo. Alright, this one came with that little protective sleeve, which is nice. They're starting to put these on more of their Zippos, and it says Pipe Lighter Brown. Came in the regular Zippo box with the chimney holes there. Made in Bradford, PA, made in the USA. And it also says Pipe Lighter Brown. And you can see Zippo Manufacturing Company, Bradford, PA, 16701. Now the box is a little bit different. It says pipe lighter, and it shows that you should turn it sideways to light a pipe. So here is the brown pipe lighting Zippo. You can see a little pipe down there. And it's got kind of a brown applique or a brown sticker on the front, two-piece. And it is a high polish brass. And this one was made in, looks like I of 16. I think that's September of last year. So it's a pretty new one. Really good sound. And there you can see the Zippo pipe insert. It's got one big hole on both sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 little ones on each side. Lights up nice. It doesn't really function that way, but if you turn on its side, you get a really good flame. And the difference between a pipe insert and a regular insert is that the regular insert has little holes on the side. It's got 8 on one side and 8 on the other side. And like I said, this one has 2 big ones, 1 on each side, and 4 little ones. And this pipe lighter does have my favorite insert, which is brass. And my favorite Zippo style is brass, just about no matter what it is. And what does a Zippo weigh? Somebody asked me, what does a Zippo weigh? Let's see if we can find out right here. Okay, that is in ounces. And this pipe lighter weighs 1.94 ounces. And a regular Zippo weighs 2.01. So this is like 6/10 of an ounce heavier. Let's do a drop test with a lit Zippo. We'll make it this one. This is the pipe Zippo. I'm going to light it from about 2 feet, see if it stays lit. It didn't stay lit that time. Let's try it once more. I drop it straight. Okay, this one does not stay lit. One more time. It looks like a pipe lighter by Zippo fails the drop test from about 2 feet. So that is a good look at the brown high polished brass Zippo pipe lighter. And it is definitely made in the USA, and that deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.